What we're going to do today is we're going to use a blind bearing puller. So what I've done is I've cleaned this out with a solvent and without spinning the bearings, I've blown it dry. And what I want to do is just show, this is the way the seal stack, this whole assembly went in from this side here and goes in and becomes the spacer and the bearing assembly for the rear wheel. I want to show what a blind bearing puller is. As you can see here, it's got a point. This point goes in to spread these jaws. These jaws go inside the bearing, and as you tighten it up, you can see that this fits in there. And what it does is just it grabs the inside of the bearing. Then you've got a slide hammer that you'll attach to here, and of course the slide hammer has inertia, and you'll be pulling up and it'll pull the bearing out. And that's how I did. I pulled the bearing and the seal all at one time. I'm gonna do this. Over here I've got a practice that I use. I put these in reverse order. In other words, this came out in this direction inside the wheel. The bearing went next, of course, with the open end towards the inside, protected as a sealed outside cage. And then of course the seal. The seal went in with the exterior being the solid to keep dust and dirt out. And I like to stack those just in that manner so that I don't have to figure out how it went. I know exactly. What I'll do here, we'll stick our blind hole bearing puller in here. I pushed it all the way through. In other words, it's come all the way through the bearing and is on this side. Okay, once I get that tight, I'll take the slide hammer, tighten it down, and now I'm just going to the seal's already come out. And there we have the bearing. As you can see the inside of the hub, there's nothing but the raw aluminum in there. So we can take this apart, we can clean it, we can lubricate the bearings, put it back together, and we'll have lubricated bearings, and we'll use the same seals and everything reinstalled. Because we've used the right tool, we haven't hammered, we haven't caused damage to any of the parts, we can reuse these because there's nothing wrong with them. Had the bearings been rusted or badly pitted or ground down from dirt and mud, we would have had to replace them. But being that they were turning easily, we're just going to clean and re-lubricate. So I'm going to put this in our solvent. I'm going to take this seal and I'm going to clean it up with some penetrating oil. Now, that's ready for reinstallation. None of these are expensive. In fact, I bought these, most of them came from eBay, maybe Harbor Freight or something, I can't remember, I've had them so long. But it's really hard to do routine repairs and do it right without causing damage, without the right tools.